Alright, so we got the final piece. We got the final shipment this afternoon. Patrick's going to go ahead and do the unboxing right now. And there it is, our boxed AMD Ryzen 3 processor. Comes with a heatsink and fan assembly inside. Alright, so that's the last part we needed. That's I ordered that Friday night. You know, thank God for Amazon Prime, because they got it to us on a Sunday. So now it's time to put the whole thing together. After getting frustrated and not being able to find it, I finally searched around on YouTube, found a video from I think an Australian guy who had the same problem. He could not find the little tiny screw that you need for the, can you see this in here, dude? For the M2 SSD. And it turns out that ASUS doesn't put it in this bag. Nope. After searching high and low, everywhere, all around, I even didn't really have the patience to watch this video. But in one of the comments, I noticed somebody said, before looking around everywhere, that they watched this video and turned out it was in the bottom of their box. So I noticed that comment and I thought to myself, well, I've looked everywhere and I'm pretty sure my box is empty. But I turned around, lifted up the case panel here, and lo and behold, I found this little tiny bag, and inside this bag there was a standoff, which I've already put on the board, and there was this little tiny screw, which I don't know if you can see it on there, but yeah, this is a little tiny screw that's going to fit right into the standoff, and it's going to keep the M2 drive from sitting at an angle while it's in the system. And that's it. So the M2 drive is installed and done, and we'll move on to the next thing in a little bit.